So black top, trouser. I said just go with this one.
Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson.
I started using this minoxidil. Hi guys, quick review. Okay, so I went to make my hair today, and lately I've been doing Didi. If you're in Nigeria, you know what Didi is. But then I decided to make just Vivisha. And guys, if you see my hair, I'm excited for you to calm down. So you see that I can pick my edges now, but guys, can you really see my edges being picked? No. I don't know where to start from, but will I? Okay, but guys, look at my edges now. Look at my edges. Okay, just in case you don't know, let me know. Let me just try and make this understandable. Okay, so from what the hairline is saying, or what my edges is saying, it's said to be alopecia. Okay, so my hairlines, I do not have fronts, and I don't have baby hairs, I don't have edges and stuff like that, so it says to be alopecia. And then normally this is like the line, I'm sure you can still see like the bald area. Okay, so this place cannot be attached to this side of my head because of this space here. Okay, but now guys, this is it. But really, if you knew when I started using my minoxidil, please just let me know in the comment section down below. So I started using this minoxidil. It is a drug, a tropical drug. It's also used for hypertension, from what I've heard. But then they taught us about this in my 300 level in my pharmacological class, and ever since I just wrote it down on my paper, and I've always had the name in my head. And I told myself that one day I'm going to get it. But then I tried getting it earlier, but then it was quite expensive. And later on money came, and I actually did buy it, and I've been using it ever since. And guys, I think I'll give a proper review on this. But yeah, it's working. I'm not saying like alopecia or anything they call it has actually gone completely, but then I'm not calling it alopecia because I don't know, I don't want to. But yeah, really, my hair, oh. No, but really, I was super excited. So I'm making Didi, and sometimes the lady making my hair tried to catch it with like the other part of my hair. I'm like, okay, maybe because it's Didi and that's why. But today I tried to make weaving, and the lady actually like, hey, I feel super good. I feel good. Chicken. But yeah, I'll probably leave a proper review for this one later on. And I also did my hidden lights recently. The one on the ceiling, the lit light thingy. So that is what I really just wanted to come here to tell you guys. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you all later.
Just that roll myself a day and count my biggest shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spend what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spend what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no quiet.
Today is Tuesday and I'm heading out. I have some errands to run. First things first, go to the cyber cafe. I am supposed to submit my final case study project to my hospital, but I've been done with my internship for over a month now, but I have still not submitted. I submitted the first time, they made corrections and asked me to go redo it and submit again, but I've just been lazy, plus the fact that I've been trying to work on my room and just pretty much get myself settled in. I've just been but I've sure been laziness was part of it. If not, I would have been done. But yeah, I finally gave the guy yesterday for him to help me print out, so I'm going to go get it now. I took my system because I think there was a correction that he said is that I needed to do, so I'll probably do that with my system and then give it for him to print out. Then after that, I will head to go get something from Aliexpress. Guys, you all know me and Aliexpress, we are 5 and 6, so something came in and I'm going to go get it today. I just pray that it's not just one thing that came, because there's some things I need for my room decor that I ordered there. So yeah, so I'm putting on this t-shirt I got from my brothers. If any of you is watching this video, thank you for always making wardrobe available to your baby girl. I'm also putting on this black leggings and a pair of slippers. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hi guys, I got a couple of things from Aliexpress the other day. I told you guys that when I'm back, I'll probably come and show you guys everything I got, but then all what happened. Yeah, I did not, but I'm here today and a couple of things just came today, so I thought I should just show you guys at once. I've also heard of the $20 limit thing that happens when you're using your Naira card to order from Aliexpress. You cannot order above $20, an item of $20 in a month. So in 1 month, you cannot use your your Naira card for more than an item that is, or items that are of $20. Okay, so that's limiting to some extent. So in case you're having issues like that, I would advise you just get a domiciliary account, then get a card for your domiciliary account, and you can use your dollar card to order as much as you want. Okay, I've actually opened all these things before now, but I just still want to show you guys. This is cute. I don't know the exact price, just check the link on the description so you know how much it is, and it's way cheaper. I think it's like 1,000 something, and here in Nigeria it was for about 4,000 something. This is like a remote holder, multi-purpose box, remote control, mobile phone, glasses, pen. Now this is not mine, I ordered it for my brother, although I also ordered a remote holder, but mine is not here yet. I really did not expect the box to be this big, but yeah. Also I use this is used to exercise, like an elastic band, something to hold your legs or probably contract your leg when you are trying to work out. This is a soap case. This is for my brother also, so I'm not going to just arrange it for you guys. I also ordered something like this, but mine is not a gold color. I think mine was when it comes I'll show you guys, but this one is the one I ordered for my brother. Okay, so the last thing we have here, I wish more than these things that are here came, but I'm excited that this one came because this was not like the expected date. This was not the expected date they gave to me to arrive, but it did come early. Like this came really early. This one's here, they came really early. I wasn't expecting them to come this early, but yeah. And then the last thing we have here is this wood chip series. It's like a mini frame holder. I honestly, I don't know if I would say I don't know this was this small, but I just did not want to go for something too expensive. But yeah, this looks cute. Probably put a picture here and just hang it somewhere. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, this is how it is. And when I'm doing my room tour, I'm sure you guys will definitely see how I put all of this together and plus the other thing I'm expecting. But yeah, that is that. Okay, let me also show you guys this scrub that I actually just got the other day. I want to give it a try. Let me see how it is. It is the Nano Salt SPA body scrub, nano smoothing and clear turmeric extracts, and it's a kojic spa. So this is how it is. I also saw another flavor, but I decided to just go with this one. Hi guys, happy Sunday. I'm late, but I'm going paintballing with my siblings, and I think I'm the only one that is late. I'm dressed up already, and let me show you guys what I'm putting on. So black top, trouser and sneakers, and yeah, probably that's it. So let's go. This is my first time paintballing, and honestly guys, I am so excited because I've always had paintballing in my to-do list. So I'm excited that my siblings started to go along with me today, so we're going paintballing. Yeah?
Oh, they go.
Okay. Yes, it's right. Where's Uzo? So good, so good.
Hey, word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. Put nigga out like an outbreak. Chopper start to make the house shake. Nigga sweeter than a pound case. Eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. With the footballs, got a nigga tripping. Fuck it, nigga keep sipping. AK with the beam on it. Clip sold on like a lean on it. My nigga like behind ball. Move 100 pounds for a lawyer, beat the charge. Tap down in the belly, watch a fuck. If a nigga try to rob, fucking hit him with no. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. 100 bands on your head, get the job done. Throw it up, nigga, where you from? Whole hood hot, cause your nigga hitting licks. Ain't made a meal yet, but he still nigga rich. Stick 'em up, stick 'em up, stick 'em. How you want it, nigga? Full of the semi. Waiting for the cash, searching for the bag. Young nigga wildin', throwing up flag. Shooters on the roof with a scope. Money make 'em treat you like the Pope. Or the brush like the Kimmy in the post. Nigga hit it with the folk. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. That's your nigga that you trust, tell him how they turn fade. Hey, you know your heart, cause you rockin' Errands. Especially if your money long, guarantee it's turn in. Ray till it long, gotta watch the shirt. Hey. Jealousy, that's a bitch nigga trait. These niggas snakes wanna know what you make. Run me at hole, do your little wrist take.
Come with a classic, they come around your same as a sleeper. They close the red, the pet is real. Watch your life, my feature. The constant money, the presentation. 42 year old, stay in the yeah, my money should go to your Shiva. You must say easy. Yeah, my money should go to your easy. I know it's a Jesus. So as I show you,
you still have bullets, come another second round. Don't waste your bullets now, another round game, bro.
My humidifier just came from Aliexpress. I'm probably going to turn it on real soon. I'm sure you guys have it. I'm also going to leave the link of this in this video.